In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a coolant reservoir on your Chevy Express 2500. This is going to be located in the engine bay. Let's get started. We're going to use a pair of hose pinch-offs. We're going to pinch off both hoses going to our reservoir. This will just help us not lose any fluid. Now we have a plastic clip right here we have to pop off. Remove the plastic clip. I'm going to pull the tab out to the side and remove it. I'm going to spin my hoses and make sure they can pop off. I know that red's going to the top. Pop the bottom hose. Using a 10mm socket, remove the bolt. Lift straight up and out. Remove the coolant reservoir. Transfer any fluid you have to your new one. Install the coolant reservoir. These top two tabs are going to slide in, and then we can get our bolt started. Snug it down. Install the hose onto the reservoir. Remove your clamp. And install the plastic clamp. Pinch it together and lock it down. We're going to grab our second hose. We're going to feed it down through the front here, and it's going to clip into our reservoir, and then we can install it onto the reservoir. This is just an overflow hose. It's going to nothing down below. It's just a drain, so if the fluid comes out, it has somewhere to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.